How to add text to a design in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a text into your Canva design. So all you need to do is simply follow the easy steps listed out in this video. So once you have opened your Canva application in Windows 11, you can see the following interface in your screen. Now from here you either have created a project or you might be creating a new one. So in order to demonstrate, let me create a new project and then I will show you how you can add text into that particular design or project. So in order to create a new project, click onto this plus icon at the top left, and from here simply choose the project that you would like to create. So for the sake of this video, let us choose a video option. So here I'm gonna click onto this video landscape, and as here you can see, the canvas has successfully appeared. And now from here we will try to add text into our Canva video. So in order to add text to any of the design, you can see this text tab over the left hand corner. So simply click onto this text tab, and from here you have these following options. So you can add a text box if you want. So if you will click onto this add a text box, you can see this text box has been successfully added here, and from here you can click onto this text box and then type in your sentence. So for example, if you want to type, you can simply type it like this, and here you can see that we have added text into our design. You can resize it using this slider right here or using the above control panels as well. And apart from this text, there are also a number of methods using which you can make your text more beautiful. So let us explore them one by one. Now, if you will scroll more under the text option, you can see the default text styles. So if you want a bigger text like a heading, then you can use this option and it will automatically add a heading. So here you can see this is a heading right here. So let us name it heading, and here you can see this is a heading. And if you want a little bit of body text, then you can click onto this option, and here you can see that this is a little bit of body text right here in a small font. So there are a variety of different options as well. So from here, if you will scroll down, you can find these options, which are the use of different types of Canva applications to write text in different styles. And here are some recently used text styles, or you can say them as pre-styled texts. So for example, you can choose any of the text that you want, although make sure that since I am currently a Canva Pro member, so I have access to more of these designs, and in your case you might need to get the plus membership in order to use these styles. So from here you can add styled text as well. So that's how easily you can add a variety of different types of text into your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.